Okay, right, students. So, for adding vectors, need to follow two laws. One, parallelogram law. Another one, triangle law. Regarding that, later we are going to discuss. So now the important one, parallelogram law. By using this law, while adding two vectors, you can find the equation for magnitude of the vector r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is the expression for finding magnitude. For finding magnitude of the resultant vector. Okay, and also for finding the direction of the resultant vector, tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. This is the formula for finding direction of resultant vector. This is for magnitude of resultant vector. How we got these equations? So observe here, derivation. Actually, first you need to understand what is parallelogram law. Parallelogram law is two vectors which we are going to add. Those vectors we are going to add. The two vectors need to take as adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram by making an angle theta with each other. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Parallelogram means you know, no? Opposite sides, right? So just M N O P parallel. Okay, so in this parallelogram, opposite sides are same. Means if it is A bar, then it is also A bar. If it is B bar, then it is also B bar. So vector MP, its magnitude A. Another vector MN, its magnitude B. That's it. So if this side is A, then it is also A. If it is B, then this is also B. Okay, so two vectors taken tile to tile as adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Then the diagonal passing through this parallelogram, gives the value of resultant vector. This diagonal represents resultant vector of these both. Again, for this resultant vector, magnitude available and direction available. For finding the magnitude, it is the formula r square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. How we got that equation? Observe here. So in this parallelogram MNOP, observe here, students. I am drawing a perpendicular from O. So this point I am taking as Q. So observe here, again you got a triangle POQ. Got it? So the side PQ called adjacent and OQ called opposite. If it is theta, then here it is also equal to theta, because see, for example, if it is theta, then it is also theta, parallel. So if it is theta, then it is also theta. Don't get confused here. Okay. So observe here, students. From this, it is very easy to derive the expression for R. Before that, first you observe from the triangle POQ. From the triangle POQ. Right? It is an theta. This is adjacent side and this is opposite side. Tell me the expression for cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, what is the formula generally? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Correct? Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side here, students? PQ. What is the hypotenuse? PO. PO is equal to here B. So I am writing PQ by B. So cos theta equal to PQ by B. That implies PQ is equal to B cos theta. Take it as equation 1. PQ is equal to B cos theta. From the same triangle POQ, tell me the expression for sin theta, students. Sin theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? OQ. What is the hypotenuse? PO, which is equal to B. So sin theta equal to OQ by B. That implies OQ is equal to B sin theta. Take it as equation 2. So PQ is equal to B cos theta. Right? OQ is equal to B sin theta. Okay? Now see here. In this diagram, again we are getting one more right angle triangle. MOQ. Observe here. From the right angle triangle, MOQ. 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 MO is hypotenuse, OQ. Opposite side, MQ, adjacent side. We need to find out the value of hypotenuse, which represents resultant vector. So from this right angle triangle, is very easy to write down. R square equal to square of hypotenuse is equal to square of opposite plus square of adjacent. So opposite side, tell me, OQ whole square plus adjacent side MQ whole square. R square equal to OQ whole square plus MQ whole square. MQ I am writing as MP plus PQ. Is it right? MQ I am writing as MP plus PQ. So R square equal to OQ whole square plus, in place of MQ I am writing MP plus PQ. MP plus PQ whole square. Okay? So observe here carefully. R square equal to OQ. OQ is equal to B sin theta. So B sin theta whole square plus MPA. PQ B cos theta. So MP plus PQ means A plus B cos theta. A plus B cos theta. So A plus B cos theta whole square. Okay? So observe here, students, R square equal to B square sin square theta plus, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square means B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Then R square is equal to B A square. I am rearranging this one. A square plus B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. So I am taking common B square. What is the remaining then here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the remaining? 2AB cos theta. Okay. Now observe here. Now r square is equal to a square plus b square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 into b square means b square. What is the remaining? 2ab cos theta. That's it. So therefore r is equal to root of square goes that side, then it becomes root. So a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, expression for magnitude of the resultant vector. Magnitude of the resultant vector. Got it, students? So magnitude of the resultant vector r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is the derivation. Please observe once again, students, carefully. Two vectors mp and mn are taken as two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. mp value is a, mn value is b. So parallelogram, opposite sides are same. Right? In this parallelogram, diagonal gives resultant vector. Diagonal gives the resultant vector. So magnitude of that resultant vector r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. That's it. Regarding direction, we will discuss in our next class. Okay? So don't worry, students. Try to understand this one. If you are unable to understand this, please call me back personally. Right? Sure, I am going to explain once again. Okay? Thank you.